How to turn $100 into $1,000 within 24 hours. I know it sounds ambitious, but with the right approach, it's absolutely possible. Let's dive into 20 actionable steps to help you maximize that 100 and make it grow to $1,000 within a day. Step 1. Choose the right method. First, determine which path you want to take based on your skills, knowledge, and risk tolerance. Some popular ways to multiply your money quickly include flipping items online, day trading, offering freelancing services, and engaging in affiliate marketing. Choose a method that aligns with your strengths and the time you're willing to commit. Step 2. Educate yourself on market demand. If you choose to flip items or offer freelance services, research what's in high demand. Use tools like Google Trends, eBay's sold listings, or freelance platforms like Upwork to identify items, products, or services that are hot right now. The more you understand what people need or want, the easier it will be to offer a winning solution. Step 3. Select items to flip or resell. If you're taking the flipping route, find items to resell. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, and even clearance sections in retail stores can be gold mines. Look for high-demand items like electronics, trending fashion, or collectibles. For example, electronics and gently used branded clothing often fetch good prices online. Step 4. Buy your initial inventory. Once you've identified items with high resale value, use your $100 budget to buy them. Don't overspend. Remember, the goal is to find items at low prices that you can resell for a profit. Keep an eye out for deals or negotiate with sellers to get the best possible price on each item. Step 5. Clean and prepare. Items for resale. If you're flipping items, make sure they're in their best condition before reselling. Clean and organize them to look appealing, especially for photos. Presentation is key, as well-prepared items are more likely to attract buyers and sell at higher prices. Step 6. Take high-quality photos. For reselling online, good photos are essential. Use natural lighting and take photos from multiple angles. If you're flipping a product like clothing or electronics, make sure you highlight key features. Quality images give potential buyers more confidence in the product and increase the likelihood of a sale. Step 7. List your items strategically. Post your items on high-traffic platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist. Write clear, appealing descriptions with all necessary details, including size, condition, brand, and any unique features. List during peak browsing hours, typically evenings and weekends. Step 8. Price competitively. To sell quickly, price your items competitively, slightly below similar listings. Research what similar items are selling for and find a sweet spot that makes yours stand out. Remember, your goal is to sell within 24 hours, so prioritize speed over maximizing every dollar in profit. Step 9. Leverage social media for sales. Social media can help you reach buyers fast. Post your listings in local buy and sell groups on Facebook and share them on Instagram or Twitter if you have a following. Use relevant hashtags and include keywords to attract potential buyers. Step 10. Offer quick delivery or pickup. For local sales, offer same-day pickup or delivery. Buyers are often willing to pay more for immediate convenience. This can be especially effective for items like electronics, which people often want right away. Arrange safe pickup spots in public areas or offer to deliver within a certain distance. Step 11. Negotiate prices with interested buyers. Be open to negotiations, but hold firm on prices that make sense for your profit margin. Aim for fair deals that benefit both you and the buyer. For example, if someone wants a discount on multiple items, offer a small discount for the bundle rather than on each individual item. Step 12. Consider freelancing for instant income. If you're skilled in writing, graphic design, video editing, or another in-demand area, offer services on freelance platforms. Sites like Fiverr or Upwork allow you to get started quickly. List small, high-impact services like designing a logo or writing a blog post that clients are likely to need on short notice. Step 13. Promote your services on social media. Post your freelancing services on social media to reach people who need quick, high-quality work done. LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Facebook groups related to business and entrepreneurship can be excellent places to promote your services. Let people know you're available for quick turnaround projects. Step 14. Offer bundled services. Create service bundles to attract more clients. For example, offer 3 social media posts plus captions or a logo and brand guideline package. Bundles increase perceived value and are often more appealing to clients looking for comprehensive solutions, making them more likely to spend more. Step 15. Try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can yield fast results if you have an audience to promote to. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Share links to relevant products in your niche or on social media, blogs, or email lists if you have them. You'll earn a commission for each sale made through your links. Step 16. Create a short product review video. If you're comfortable on camera, create a quick product review video for the items you're affiliated with. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram allow you to reach large audiences quickly. Make the content engaging and direct viewers to your affiliate links for a chance at earning a commission. Step 17. Use paid ads wisely. If you have a small budget left, consider using targeted paid ads to promote your listings or services. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer cost-effective ad options that allow you to reach specific audiences. For example, a $5 ad targeting people interested in vintage electronics can boost your product's visibility. Step 18. Utilize flash sales or time-sensitive discounts. Create urgency by offering discounts for a limited time. This works especially well on buy and sell groups or platforms where you have direct communication with potential buyers. Phrases like 24-hour flash sale or discount for the first buyer can encourage quick sales. Step 19. Upsell and cross-sell. If someone buys a product or service from you, offer a related item or additional service at a discount. For example, if you're selling a used camera, suggest a lens or camera bag as well. Cross-selling can help you make extra sales without requiring additional outreach. Step 20. Follow up for repeat business. Lastly, don't forget to follow up with your customers. Whether it's someone who bought a product or hired you for a freelance project, thank them for their business and let them know you're available for future needs. Building relationships leads to repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals, which can be incredibly valuable in scaling your earnings. Closing part. All right, there you have it. A full 20-step plan to turn $100 into $1,000 in just 24 hours. As you can see, with the right mix of preparation, smart decisions, and a little hustle, it's entirely possible to multiply your money significantly, even in a single day. Now, before you jump into this, remember a few key takeaways to ensure your success. Stay adaptable. Not every method will work perfectly every time. Be ready to adjust your approach, try new strategies, and learn from what does and doesn't work. Flexibility is your best friend in the world of quick gains. Value relationships and reputation. Whether you're flipping items, freelancing, or engaging in affiliate marketing, trust and quality are essential. Clients and customers come back when they know they can rely on you, so treat each interaction as an opportunity to build long-term success. Manage your risks. With fast-paced strategies, there are always risks. Don't overextend yourself financially or commit to something beyond your skill level. Start small. Stay within your comfort zone and build confidence and skills as you go. Keep learning and improving. The digital economy changes fast, and staying informed on trends and customer preferences can be a game changer.